Hi, are you suffering from excessive dry skin? What so many people call chicken skin? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple home remedy you can use and stop the excessive dry skin and make your skin more moisturized. Keep on watching. Welcome back. My name is Chioma from Chioma Beauty. I love looking beautiful, as you can see, so I decided to share with you how I take care of my skin. I talk about skincare products in the market, especially Nigerian market. I teach you how to use them effectively to get a maximum result. I also teach about natural hair treatment at home and effective home remedies to take care of your face and your skin. Everything all about personal care. But in this particular video, I'm going to teach you a simple way you can get rid of excessive dry skin at home. Dry skin can be caused by so many things. Example, the environment you are in can cause your skin to become so dry. Frequent washing of hands, inadequate hydration. If you don't drink enough water, you might get a dry skin. So hydration is very, very important for your skin. Drink water every day, at least 2 liters. So it's very, very good for your skin. Swimming in a chlorinated pool. There are some pools they put chlorine inside. So if you swim there for a long time, you feel dryness on your skin. Or jobs that are rough on the hands, such as mechanic or farming. Anyway, whatever that may be the cause, with dedicated skin care treatment, you can stop it. Make sure you drink enough water, eat fruit, scrub your body, and moisturize your body. Whenever people talk about skin problems, it's not something you do once it gets cured. You have to be dedicated. You have to put on time to treat your skin to get the effective result. It's not a one-time affair, no. So you have to put on your time. Be dedicated. At least 1 month, you will be able to get a result. The first thing we will need is body scrub. You can get any body scrub of your choice. This is what I use. This is Ashanti body scrub. Ashanti is a very nice company when it comes to affordable body scrubs in Nigerian market. It comes in different types. This one is rice and milk. I will do a separate video on Ashanti scrubs in the market. The ones that are good for fair people and the ones that are good for chocolate people. I will do a separate video on that. So what you have to get is a scrub. Go to any cosmetic shop and get a scrub you can afford. The higher your pockets, the higher your cosmetics. So get any scrub you can afford. And the next thing we are going to use is honey, olive oil, vitamin E oil, and Vaseline. So many of you look down on Vaseline. Vaseline is a very nice moisturizing cream. So don't look down on Vaseline, especially this type of Vaseline. Original blue seal, this type is very good for your skin. So what you have to do is to, we are going to be adding honey. Honey is one of nature's most revered skin remedy. It contains antibacterial and antiseptic abilities. It is beneficial for people with oily prone skin. Honey is also a remnant, which means it moisturizes your skin. The next thing is olive oil. Olive oil is a good moisturizer. It hydrates or forms a protective barrier on the skin. It can act as a sunblock. Olive oil, yes. We look down on this thing. It can also act as a cleansing agent. The next one is vitamin E oil. There are 2 types of vitamin E. There are 2 types of vitamin E. You can get this particular vitamin E. They sell it in the cosmetics shop, or you get the one in the bottle. That's still the same thing. So if you cannot afford the big one, just get this. It is going to serve. So what do you have to do? You scoop your body scrub in a bowl. Find something like this or any small plastic container. Just scoop the amount you can use at a time. When you scoop the amount you can use at a time, inside here you add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it properly. Mix it so well. When you mix it, you get a scrub. When you mix it, you get a sponge. This type of sponge. This is the best sponge for scrubbing. It is very good. You rejuvenate your skin cells. While scrubbing, it's a form of massage. It massages you. So you scrub with this type of sponge. Normally, we tend to scrub before we use our soap. But in this treatment, you are going to use your soap first. Then you now scrub with the mixture of your body scrub, honey and olive oil. When that is done, when you have finished taking bath with your soap first, you now scrub with the mixture, so that the honey and olive oil, the remaining of it, will stay on your skin. Then you wash yourself off with water. After that, you scoop Vaseline, or you buy this particular size of Vaseline. But if you have the bigger cup, you can use a teaspoon. Scoop 1 teaspoon into a small container. Add 2 of this to it and moisturize your skin very well. After you take bath, always do this treatment at night, not in the morning. Do it at night continuously for 1 month. After 1 month, you will even see the result before 1 month. After 1 month, you can reduce it to 3 times a week, and you continue. Your skin will stop being cranky and stop being dry. You drink water, hydrate your skin by drinking water, taking fruits. That's all you need to stop a chicken skin and have a well moisturized skin. Watching. See you next time.